Hey guys, Joseph Don here, and today I want to explain a simple concept. The question is this: how is money made online? Okay, because people keep buzzing me on my Facebook DMs, on my Instagram DMs, and WhatsApp, and the number one question everybody is asking me is, please, can you show me the way in this online business? How is money made online? Now, people have a misconception that there's a magical way people make money online. For example, maybe you just click on a link and then money starts reading into your account all year round, right? But I want to just demystify this online money now. So, how is money made online exactly? The same way you make money offline, right? The same way you make money online, right? The difference is that it has been made digital, right? So you can now access a broader marketplace. So, for example, this is Mr. A. Okay, before the feminists to come for me, let's say this is Miss A, and then this is Miss B. All right, Miss A wants to make money, and Miss B has the money Miss A wants to make. How does Miss A get this money from Miss B in a legal way? Miss A here has to sell something of value to Miss B. So let's say this is the value, right? Miss A has to sell something of value to Miss B in order to get Miss B's money, right? So it might be a product or service, right? So example of products, right? You have food stuff, right? You have food stuff, you have fashion items, let's say bags, shoes, and the likes. Example of services, right? Example of services. Let's say makeup. So makeup is a service you can sell. Makeup, right? Hairdressing, plumbing. Let's say editing, right? Editing as per video editing or even editing books. Right now, these are services. So it's either Miss A gives Miss B any of these services in exchange for Miss B's money, right? That's how money is made offline. Not so. Exactly the same way money is made offline is the same way money is made online. There's no big deal about it. There's no magical ATM that is on the internet spilling money to people. No. For you to make money online, essentially, you must be selling something. So let's say this is the internet. Now, the difference between the internet and selling offline is this. With selling offline, you're basically restricted to one location, right? It could be a market, it could be a store, wherever you're doing your business. But you are restricted to one location unless you start multiplying yourself, right? And expanding to other locations. But with selling offline, Mrs. A or Miss A, rather, can interact with Miss B wherever Miss B is in the world. So let's say Miss B is in Australia, right? Let's say Miss B is in Australia and Miss A is in Nigeria. With the use of the internet, right, which is what we call online, you understand now, yeah, Miss A, right, can interact with Miss B and get to still use the same method. You have to sell something of value to Miss B in exchange for her money. So how do people make money online? They sell either products or services. So you can literally sell anything to make money online. I have a student that sells glasses. So let me wear this. This is anti-glare glasses from Eyewears by Lux. Basically, blocks out the bad light from your screen so you don't damage your eyes, especially if you're a creative that has to stay on your computer screen for long hours like myself. So Ursula sells glasses and she does around $500,000 every month selling glasses online. Basically, she utilizes WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook to sell these glasses. So you could basically make money by selling any damn thing that is valuable to people. So how people really make money online is that they sell something. So you could either sell a product or a service. Services like copywriting, right? Graphic design, photo editing, video editing. These are digital skills you can sell online to make money. You can also sell information products, right? So how can you get started making money online? It's simple. So you can either choose two models, right? So you can either choose two models. What are these two models? Either you go organic or you go paid. What is organic? Organic simply means traffic that you do not pay for. So let me explain what traffic is. Traffic simply means people, right? So people who are willing and able to buy your product or service are referred to as quality traffic, right? So traffic simply means people. So how do you get people? How do you get this attention? Because in order to sell online, you need to get people's attention, right? So how do you get their attention? You could either get their attention through organic means, right, or paid means. When I say organic means, it means your posts on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and just finding a way to get people to see you and what you do so that they can pay you for what you do. That is organic. Now, I'm not talking about all these people on Twitter that are shouting, I know it will not cost you anything to retweet. Please retweet my hustle. No. I'm not talking about, I've not eaten since morning. I beg you, no more go. Please, come and buy what I'm selling or receipt. All those things are not marketing. Those things are stupidity. Okay? You must learn to market and market well if you want to make progress online. So please, retweet is not a strategy. Okay? You're just begging. If you have something of value, then you should not be begging people to retweet, right? You should know how to use your creative content, right, to get people to see your stuff. Next thing you could utilize is paid advertising. And by paid advertising, I mean paying social platforms to put your content or your product or service out there. For example, Facebook ads, Google ads, but I mean Google search ads, YouTube ads, right? You could pay influencers, that is influencer marketing, to put your stuff out there, and then a lot of people get to see it and buy from you. So making money online is not mystical. You just need to have something for sale. It could be a product or it could be a service, right? So products, again, bags, shoes, clothes, electronics, right? Gadgets, services, copywriting, video editing, graphic design. Maybe you build sales pages, right? Those are services, right? You could sell information products. Information products are basically products that you package to teach people how to do things. Okay, for example, you could teach people, if you're an expert at making good food, you could teach people how to cook online and you could get paid for it. But remember, you are selling something of value. I really hope this makes sense to you. So this is the video I'm going to be referring anybody that asks me, how do I make money online too? Because making money online is as simple and as clear as the day, right? You need to sell something of value to somebody that needs it. I need to find those people by generating traffic, either by organic means or by paid advertising. Hope you have gotten a lot of value from this. Do check out my other videos. Leave a like and a comment on this one as well. And I'm going to see you next time. Peace out.